Yeah, so your name?
Yeah, you know, see a king coach up on IG.
Yeah. So, oh, you know going to school it?
We have match now.
How much you have to play today? Central is it?
No, Veer.
Veer? Oh, who not play today?
States.
So my big ball bridge now killer side. I mean. Oh, number one you playing that though?
Number 8.
Oh yeah. Oh, a big ball for you playing that 8. Somebody there so with
Demoya.
the 8th girl from Mineralize Primary, huh? Come in there, camera.
Siandra. Tony. Amelia.
And we represent for
Razablade TV.
Hey.
Dollars and pound them a buy me a seller. Jumping a range and setter. Money cheap, me da share our money. Make it a house party. Make it a house party.
Alright people, morning. Well, honestly my brother will have vibes to call. I them type of vibes in my wall, but true me is not a man when no one forget jiggy like that. Anyway, last time I posted a video, I remember I go to bed, I say 1,000 views. I drop asleep after that. I wake up to a message where say, yo, wake up to a comment where say, yo, you're the 39 pound trending. I say, what? Then I see a picture, I say, dog, you know, see this, I see 32 pound trending. But at this present time, 12:51, I just start vlog, I see number 19 pound trending. I feel good, and I just want to say, big up on yourself. I see a lot of people are share up the stuff, yo. Remember, I'm going to make mention of another vlog, you see me? So I have to watch it till the end. Because I don't know if I make mention of my people. Them. And other people still repost it, so I can't even make mentions yet, because I don't miss out nobody. You see me? But with the 19 pound trending, at the second time I see the trending list from the start of the video and I feel good. I don't mind we can go further up, you see me? But I give thanks same way. Today I actually have a plan. Hope it go through and everything go through. I want to surprise my mother with a gift basket. You see me? So, I tell Ian say she support my idea and all of that. And we're going to make something special for her. And then, well, today is all about getting the gift basket together. And then tomorrow, we actually sort out something for the song we're going to drop. I'm going to like give her a little video with me. I give the gift basket to her. Oh, hope she not find out this before it happen. Because my mother can see things. Yeah. Someone want video her, everything, get a reaction from you. I really want to do something special for my mom. Because we don't always see eye to eye. And I just want to be sure I say no matter what go on, I really appreciate it for everything. Not true. You see me? So that's what it's gonna be about today, getting the gift basket together. Link up my woman, you don't know. Simple vlog today, simple vlog. And all of that. But at the night, tomorrow, I want to catch a reaction. So I have to make sure to tune in today and tomorrow to see what is what. Hopefully it goes as planned. She go fasting on Wednesdays. So I know I'm going to have the house to myself for the day. So I can get the time to fix up everything, get a really good thing together, you see me? And thing. I want to surprise her badly. And thing. So right over there, I wash a few clothes and sit there, you see me? But I'm going to actually leave out for get that gift basket together now. So I'm going to hold a bed and something. So talk to you. Wagwan, the favorite couple. Alright, as I'm telling you, vlogger, this is the whole idea coming to me. So, what do you think about this movie? What do you think about this movie? Because you help me, you know.
Show them outside.
Eh?
Show them the box.
The box there, so enchanted. No, just not really say Christmas, just a gift for me. Just an elegant gift. But I don't know, we still vlogging same way. What are the fun?
Yeah, easy.
Where you say, where you say you're bored? Why you not bored of the part of the year?
No, here, son.
You want to wear so? Free that one they still, you know?
Yeah, so I have to board.
Yo, I'm going to board with ears and God don't give you one hole. One hole, one.
Put the gold thingy at the top.
Vlogger, what kind of wrapping paper we forget? Oh, big up to the lady who assist with. Big up to the
Too
lady.
small.
Alright, use that one in your hand.
This one.
Yes. Just,
Mm-hmm.
no, that one.
This one.
No, this one.
This one much bigger.
Yes.
My name is the lady about this and that one.
No man. That's good. That's good.
Oh, Jade, how do I go after this? I will miss when you want to know it's too long, but just go on boom bang around. This is just my own objective.
$60.
Oh, $60?
Yes, my dear.
No, we didn't see that bag.
Yeah, we're gonna go around you now.
I haven't done nothing for my mother for months now, so now that things are pick up, me have to just do it. Go choose here, because I don't know.
Wait, let me This I got hung out. If we take that one, so we
No man, I don't think it's gonna hang out.
Not with no seasons greetings though, cause.
No man.
Alright, that look nice. It kinda match the colour of the gift itself.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let me try it just to be sure.
If we take something in our it looks strong, so when she take out her gift, she can put her church shoes in it when she at her church.
Yes, I don't know.
You can hold it, see?
Yeah, man.
Can you all?
See?
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Yeah, it'll go on, it'll go on.
It's happening.
You see that, mommy? We are going with things for you. So I don't know Christmas gift. Don't say it's a Christmas gift. I do something special for you. Cheap.
Are you going to put it in the bag, sir?
Yes.
Mommy, the price is $3,929.
Okay. I'm gonna care me, I do it for you. So, alright, see you there. Alright. Boy, yeah, you can't take my phone, is it?
Let me just start.
Oh, you just start?
Yeah.
Okay. Make the boy go, yeah. Boy it up. And do okay? And you run everything and you have on the pad, so yeah, man. Right.
Don't worry, man. I'm gonna let the result. See my friend take part.
You know what he's doing? We get up and hold the foot at 9, you know, size 9, you know, and wear one blow 4. Let me tell you how them ladies stay. Ladies, we go to Obama and wear the size 4, go and party if you look good for 1 hour. Just nearly dead for 1, brother. When I see some girl, of course. No, of course, but
Them did
yo,
more than females.
Woman,
Yeah.
no, what you
So
know?
them walking up at
Woman we go somewhere and do one hairstyle. Where it's when light turn off everybody now see them. Yes, when they say, oh, hey girl.
Yeah, man, then good one.
we are talking about.
Prime example. Prime example, people. But that's true. You don't have to do it still. With my girl, you're not supposed to have to kill yourself to make. You know me feel like you look good, you see me? If you know your side, your foot at 12 o'clock lunchtime. You just squeeze it with 11, then if I 10, if you 2, but don't put on 7. You see me? But that's how you go. No, how we do it though?
No, wear my size.
Wear my size.
Where my
Yes,
size too?
my size small, you know, anything will fit you. You know what time I try to watch this and you know what I'm talking about? Watch it.
Then I do it good.
I'm just scrub the brush. That's why I have you.
Mega scrubber with the
No,
brush
if you
here.
talk to me, talk sense in my head. What are you talking about?
My friend.
Me too. Yeah. Oh, I thought you was going to help me.
May I go upstairs, Sakura?
No.
That alone may help you do it.
You know more than them that do, brother. I don't know why. Somebody get me this for my birthday.
Take it.
Like, you give me a fidget spin. Gee, babe, nobody take it from
I'm
me already.
mean.
I'm not discriminating, but I'm a virgin.
I'm mean.
No,
I'm mean.
Gee.
Yeah, I'm mean.
I want No, baby, don't tell why you forgive me now. Because you know some more time I do woman, I'm fast and I just want to sit in videos and keep me company.
I have one more, so you can hold on.
What color?
No.
What color?
You know what?
Blue?
Me need a
Are
new
you
girlfriend.
gay?
Oh
Are
yes,
you
thank
gay?
you. You're not get it. I'm joking, man.
Blue are your favorite
You
color?
not give. You not give. You not give.
We have
Thank
New
you.
Year's, man. Not before New Year's. Come
Where
on,
do
go
that
water
before
first. Watch fireworks.
We are gonna waterfront too.
One if Jason I go.
How we have man? I will have
Could I go as a couple still?
I did want a surprise.
You're lucky. Make you a surprise her. Every time if you want a surprise.
If I not,
I know she just bust up your wall secret. So by the time I say, baby, I go do this, you about he.
waterfront.
Wait, where's the one bow?
Where's the bow?
Finish?
You man put on one bow.
Right there.
Wish me could have get somewhere.
You can do it?
You don't have cards?
Yeah, right there.
Baby, take up something like that's one normal card, no Christmas card. Oh, you're there? You're there, Panita now? Yeah.
Babe, to my special wife.
Anyway, I said mother.
Oh my god.
Anniversary, I don't feel time now, babe.
Oh my anniversary. Sending heartfelt wishes.
We all have dreams. J. Cole.
Birthday blessings. Thanks.
But you can't have card and no card for your mother.
Mom. Is this mom?
It's ugly.
Bad. For my son.
Hey, we can't find one for the mom, because I don't want to miss look look ugly.
For mommy?
Babe,
Yeah.
I still want to get this right.
Yes, babe. I know.
Aw.
You're gonna be a mommy soon.
Aww.
Nothing for you, mom.
There's never a problem, a worry or care that cannot cure. You want it?
No. Hold on.
And then
Let me give me get to the phone card.
You want to take for mommy?
Yeah, but I just want the card. Not a birthday. No, it's not a special day. It's just special because me I give it to her.
or something showing some appreciation or something. No, him not like that one there.
It look lame and ugly. It look plain. To mommy with love. Hold on.
Doesn't say
No, that look too lovey-dovey. That for my
Or this could
girlfriend.
have been Merry Christmas though. The
I
card can be
don't
Merry
want no
Christmas.
Christmas card for my mother.
Greetings.
Missing you. I send that to mommy when she sees me really move out.
Speedy recovery.
Alright, big up that girl there over here if you help me. Big up Ianja, the side henchman.
Wonderful mother on her birthday. Crap.
Prum.
But it's a wonderful mother.
No, not on her.
Can't wipe out for her
Who are gonna do that?
birthday. Me. You know me a genius.
1 billion, man.
Mother's Day. Every day is Mother's Day for you, babe. Alright, sorry. Alright. Alright, this is just a normal card. You want to get this and write what's the way you want to write in there?
Yeah, we do that.
Or you want
I
this?
don't want to give her the personal message, you know. Check out that. Alright. Now this look very presentable. Yes.
Thanks to Andra
Oh well.
and her crew.
What? Alright, big up the lady and the next lady over here. So.
That's my crew.
Are you a cool?
Yeah.
Come to me. Okay, we go best. Miss, what's your name, Miss?
Wendy.
Good afternoon, thank you, Wendy.
You're most welcome.
Okay, and so me get the card of moment, me go write up one bag of that for you. Oh, me don't want that to see you, because I'm going to write up on that. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Alright, people, somebody there, I get some weed. Alright, quick update. So me check my video with Angelica and I said, I me go like little bit up more up on the ladder with the trending. Guess who the number 11 on trending? Yeah. Barber the number 11 on trending. If we keep on share it and talk about it, we are going to probably top 1, top 2, top 3. I would have loved that. But right now, we just have to make the thing work and just get some food. You see what I say? So, you don't know. You know I'm home, so you know that is. Don't feel like somebody ever forget my favorite part of the vlog. You see what I say? Yeah, hold on. Yeah, everybody I forget my favorite part of the vlog. Alright, people to shout out, man. People to shout out. Alright. The list as follows. Oh my god, so many people, bro. Big up Gabby. Big up. Man. Somebody text me meanwhile, so maybe saw the message. Shoot, man. Big up Shamar Byfield. Big up Zillian Williams. Big up Jason Tyler. Andre _ the winner for Instagram. Big up I am J Swag Instagram. Big up Boogie. Big up _that Instagram. Big up Michael Miles Twitter. Big up Father Shalom. Young Jenny, I don't know. Big up Kelly. Big up Suwin. Big up Shannon. Yo, big up Jonah Wilson Frostbox, I don't know. Big up Shannon again. Maybe I've called people in 2 times. I will pass by. Big up Kawaii Wave, that's the youth of the inner the people for name Barber. Alright, big up Golden Beards. Big up the trending tab on YouTube because we're trending people. We was 39 and trending when we see first, then 32, then I saw 19, and currently with the number 11. Let me check it one more time because we check it with the pen. Let me check it and see if we could have got number 9 or 10. Okay. We're currently the number 11 same way. So next thing now, we just bounce from outside. So remember, we have to stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Because when I go see when I give her. So for the people from my vlog, I'm going to promise my mom for the first time. So you know the thing go. We return kind of early, I'm glad we can edit this and post this before the late hours of night. So da-da-da-da-da.
You a legend and me love you to me heart. Goosebumps full up my body, now was me attack. Remember saying you're dead from the start. Can't pay you back, but me I tell you this. So me I never will I leave your side. Never will I turn my back on you or stand and watch you fight.